Guys, we are back. We have changed means. Look, that's the one we were in. It's still there. No, yeah. So we are, at least we need to get to town faster.
Yes.
So that's the most convenient way to get into Nairobi so far. So I hope there's no traffic.
But you know that there are some people who like enjoying the matatu vibe. And
yes. I also like matatu vibe, especially when it's like with music and it's loud. Yeah. Put on your belt now. These Kenyans, they don't put on belts. Yeah.
I have to tighten up my belt.
So Claudia, tell me, you were asking me some questions.
Yes. We met like 2 months ago.
Yeah.
You were in Kenya and then you went into East African countries.
Yes.
Can you tell us your experience, the challenges you faced there, which country you love most?
Man, amazing question, because this one is like, it's been an interesting and an amazing journey since I met you. Since I met you, I went to, let me take off these things. I was in Kenya, then I went to Uganda, and in Uganda, I was very much surprised because of the amount of motorbikes they have there. The motorbikes there is too many, it's crazy. And okay, and I was saying Uganda was a lot of motorbikes and it was too chaotic, so it was a bit crazy. Then from Uganda, but it was really fun, and I love their food. Their street food especially is so amazing.
Is motorbike their means of transport?
It's the main means of transport, yes.
Oh.
Because there's too much traffic, it's too chaotic. So if you take like Bolt and Uber, you will take much longer to get where you're going. But motorbikes are very nice. So from there I went to Tanzania. No, I went to Rwanda.
Were you harassed in Uganda?
Harassed?
Yes.
No harassment at all. Yeah.
How are the people around?
Very nice, very friendly, very beautiful women. Yeah, it was an amazing place.
And you tried street food?
Yeah, I did.
How was it?
It's better than Kenya's. Yeah, there was like Rolex. There was, I don't know, I don't remember the names, but they really had good street food, to be honest. So it was amazing. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
From there you went to?
I went to Rwanda. No, from Uganda I went to South Sudan. And South Sudan was madness, man. It was crazy. It's such a ridiculous country, so to speak. Yeah, I would not recommend you to go there currently, because it's just too much bribes, too much harassment. My dreadlocks are not allowed there, so I was arrested for having dreadlocks. So the people are amazing though, very amazing people. I really enjoyed my time with them. Very friendly. They took me around, they fed me, they showed me a lot of concern. But the government is just terrible. People can see more of that in my videos. They'll see exactly what happened.
Okay. So is it, you have said South Sudan?
South Sudan, yes.
Do they allow like women to have dreadlocks?
Yes, women, yes, but not men.
Why? Why not men?
Because they say men who have dreadlocks are criminal.
Really?
Yeah, for some weird reason.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
so
it's kind of a fashion.
It's kind of a fashion, yeah, but it's a country that's very much behind. Yeah. But I'm rushing through the countries before we arrive, because we have a good ambience.
Yeah.
From South Sudan, I went to Burundi. Burundi was really amazing, honestly. Yeah, it's not a very rich country, but the people are so good, and they're very friendly, and but it's a bit expensive, It's a bit expensive because the hotels there were very expensive. The cheapest hotel was like $50 a night.
Oh, that's too expensive.
Yeah, I don't understand why it's so expensive. But otherwise, it's a really nice country. But the people are really struggling with the economy. So that was the shock. I'm gonna give you one shock of each country. So that was the shock that I saw. Then I went to Rwanda, the cleanest city in Africa, and it was
the cleanest.
Actually not in Africa. I take my words back. I thought it was the cleanest in Africa, but it is not. Anyway, it was good, it was clean, it was organized. There is very strict, they take their country very seriously. But the culture shock for me there was like, it's very clean. Yeah, because I was compared to like Kenya here or Uganda, and it was very clean. Then from there, I went to Tanzania, Zanzibar. Yes, and Zanzibar was amazing, but the thing is I went during rainy season, but I got to experience a different side of Zanzibar when it's raining. So the hotels were so cheap. The hotels were even cheaper than Burundi. So that's a pro tip. If you go during rainy season, the rainy season is not like here. It's a bit rainy, but not too much.
So you want to mean you want to mean that when it's raining,
Yeah.
You can get the economy is cheap. Let's say so.
Yes,
when it's
transport, taxis, food, everything is much cheaper in Zanzibar.
in rain season.
In rain
right?
season, yeah, in low season. So I spent much less than I expected. Yeah, because my budget and what I spent was much less. So I would recommend if you want to go to Zanzibar, go during the low season. Yeah, and that's in the months of like March, about February, March there. That's low season.
So
Yeah.
if you want to go to Zanzibar, make
Yes.
sure you go during the rain
Yes,
season.
and you know it's rainy season, but there's still sun, there's still vibes, everything was really nice. So the only difference is that it can rain once or twice, but really it's really nice. So guys, I have videos in all these countries, go and see, so that you
Yes.
get more experience. Then from there, I went to Ethiopia. Ethiopia, yes, I was in Addis Ababa. Amazing country, very, very good food. The best food actually I've tasted in Africa, injera and the rest. And
Do they eat raw meat?
they eat raw meat, yes, they do. It's very, very common. Yeah.
Did you taste?
I don't eat meat at all,
Oh,
cooked or raw.
sorry.
I am vegetarian. Oh, we are dark now, guys, so we are in a tunnel, so don't worry, we are soon getting to the light. Yeah, so that was Ethiopia. Ethiopia was nice, and my best thing in Ethiopia is I went to visit the Rasta village in Shashamane. It was an amazing experience, man. I saw the Rastas who came from America, from Jamaica, from Trinidad, from UK, from France, from Japan.
over the world.
All of them, they came to Shashamane and they're living there. But honestly, their life quality is not so good because Ethiopia is not such a good economy also. So they are suffering more than they were in their countries,
Oh
sadly.
my God.
Yeah, so that was a shock. And another shock about Ethiopia, everybody looks at you.
Really?
Yeah, they look at you like you're from planet Mars. So that was a bit of a shocker being in Africa. Yeah,
Do they know more about social media?
not really. And the internet is really, really bad in Ethiopia. Extremely, extremely terrible. Yeah. Yes, from Ethiopia, I went to South Africa. Yeah, amazing, amazing country, man.
Victoria.
Not Pretoria, Johannesburg. I was in Johannesburg. And then I went to Pretoria later. But first I was in Johannesburg. Man, I was mind blown. It's very unsafe. There is very easy to get robbed, very easy to get killed, stabbed. But I went to the most dangerous place there actually, called Hillbrow. So don't go to Hillbrow like Kishmawal did.
How was your experience
You will
there?
risk your life. It's very scary. A lot of gangs, a lot of insecurities. You have to look over your shoulder all the time. But I had to document to show people how it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody had just been stabbed like 6 times over there recently. Another person wrote in the comment section they were robbed and stabbed, and yeah, it's hardcore. But still, there were good people I met there all the same who took care of me. Yes, from there I went to Lesotho, my favorite country.
Oh
Okay,
my
second
God.
favorite country in Africa. Second favorite.
Which is your favorite?
I'll come to it.
Okay.
Yeah. Lesotho is a small country but very beautiful, very friendly people, very safe, very organized. Man, I just like really love Lesotho. The vibes were amazing. So I would recommend if you're ever in the Southern Africa, go there. But it's very, very cold. It's the coldest country in Africa actually, because there's even snow right now.
Oh.
Yeah, you can imagine it's
I
snowing
thought we don't have snow in
Africa. Yeah, I thought the same too until I saw snow there. So it does snow in Africa and it's very cold, but that's during the night. During the day was good, but now it's the real winter, so it's much colder. Yeah. From Lesotho, I went to Mozambique. Mozambique was very nice, amazing country, but everybody speaks Portuguese, so it was very difficult to communicate and get around. But I really also had a good time. I met some lovely people. There's a lady who took me around, who could speak English, was my translator out of the blues, and she just took really good care of me. So she really played a critical role there. But remember, Mozambique people don't speak English, it's only Portuguese.
Okay.
From Mozambique, I went to Swaziland or Eswatini, a very boring country to be honest.
Oh my God.
Yeah, extremely boring, nothing much to do. But I only did one video because the rest were very boring. I couldn't shoot, but it was about the traditional life of the Swazi people, and that one was really amazing. So I liked that one. And the funny thing about Mozambique, there's very many prostitutes. I was very shocked. Not Mozambique, Swatini. In the streets, like you could, like sex business is very big, so, and it's very open. So that was a bit of a shocker for me. Then from there I went to Botswana. Botswana is a lovely country, a very small population, but not really much to do either unless you go to the countryside. So I was in Gaborone, so I just went and saw the town for a bit before I went to my favorite country in Africa. My number one, numero uno, man. And that is Namibia, man. Oh,
Namibia.
Man, I love Namibia. My heart breaks now even when I'm speaking about Namibia, because that's the place where I found the best setting, the best people, the best everything. Yeah, I think we can alight, eh? We can alight anywhere. Anywhere, yeah? Anywhere is good when you get a chance. So yeah, that was Namibia, man, my favorite country. I'll tell you why when we get off, but yeah, it's my number one. Thank you, eh? Okay. So guys, we have arrived much faster with the Uber than it was with the public transport. Oh, my headphones. This is what I do all the time. I leave stuff. That's how I left my GoPro. And guys, this is Nairobi city, the green city in the sun. As you can see, very beautiful on a Sunday afternoon. And this is the city market. Have you ever been to city market?
Yes, once.
Or have you ever shown your audience city market?
No, during that time I was not
A vlogger. Oh, okay, you should show them a bit of city market.
Yeah. Soon I'll be there.
Soon you'll be there.
Yes.
Okay, so guys, this is it. We're in Nairobi city center. And Claudia, I need to finish this video with you.
Yes,
Yeah.
finish about Namibia.
About Namibia. So Namibia, as soon as you get to Namibia, you feel at home. People are very friendly, especially the women. I don't know, maybe I mentioned women too much, but I felt like the women were even more friendly than the men. Because the women, as soon as you speak to them, they greet you with a smile. They're so lively. They're so, interested in what you're saying, what you're doing. Man, it feels so good, I just felt like, this is where I definitely need to be. Yeah, we're going to look for your batteries. Yeah, so we went and I went and I was just meeting everybody amazing. The roads of Namibia, they're the best roads in Africa, man. Look at these birds here. Hey, Nairobi. And this is the Jamia Mosque, in case you've never told people.
Jamia
The biggest mosque in Nairobi currently. Yeah, so I'm telling you, the roads in Namibia were so amazing. You could never see, like, in the cities, not even in the city center. Look, this is CBD. And look at this. Look at what we have in Nairobi, guys. What an embarrassment. City
Nairobi
center.
is in Kenya for those one.
Yeah, Nairobi is Kenya. It's my country, but after going to Namibia, I'm embarrassed, to be honest. All these trenches, water sticking everywhere. You would never see this in Namibia. It was such a beautiful country, man. The roads were amazing. The people were amazing. Their food, the landscapes, man. They have the desert, and the desert meets the ocean.
Namib Desert, right?
The Namib Desert, yes, and the Atlantic Ocean. They meet. I was there and I couldn't believe my eyes. Like, you look on your left is the huge desert, and you look on your right is the Atlantic Ocean, and they are just there, head to head. Man, it was so amazing.
Okay, talk about their culture.
The culture, man, amazing. Like right now, I am currently doing a video about the Himba village, the Himba community. That's gonna be a banger video. You need to watch it. Don't miss to watch that one.
Go watch at
Basically,
Ish My World.
Basically, 3 things about that one that will catch your eye. 1, the women walk naked. And I was there with them. And being there in that culture and country, I had to strip naked and wear like them also.
Oh.
Yeah, you only cover your fours.
Yes, I saw your video.
Yes. 2, the women share husbands. Or not husbands. Like for example, like me as a foreigner, if I go there and I'm a guest, a person who has a wife can give me the wife to sleep with me, to take care of me at night.
My God, that can't happen in Kenya.
No, never. So basically, they're like there. They check. They what is it called? They massage you. They cook for you. They everything, and then they even give you extramarital services. And the husbands are okay with that. They actually offer you, especially the ones who have more than one. It's very, very okay. And even the ones like a family which does not have a wife, they can also do the same.
God.
So you can imagine.
So that's why you love Namibia.
I wish. I did not partake, but yeah, I thought it's like a joke, but it's very, very serious. Even the girl who was interviewing me, she was like, yeah, me I can give anyone, even though I'm married. It's not a big deal.
Wow.
So
they are not jealous.
They're not jealous. There's no jealousy there. And also the funny thing is, the women, you can choose, that Himba community, you can choose to be a woman and not have a husband, but have kids with other people, and the kids are communal. So like this particular girl I met, she had 3 children with different fathers, and she was like,
and they are supportive.
yeah, and she was like, you know what, I'm the one who chose different fathers because I want to diversify the seed.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the crazy thing, you know. They were just saying like that's how they like it. So there's freedom of that, and the men, nobody's jealous. Even if like one day she's with this guy, the next guy she's with the other guy, like nobody cares. They are very open society, you know.
Try that in Africa. Try
in
that
Africa,
in Kenya.
yeah, it's crazy. Even here, crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and number 3 is that they do not bath ever. They don't take showers.
What?
Yeah. All they do, they use like a red clay. It's called red ochre, and cow butter, and they smear their skins with it, and it cleans their bodies, and it also acts like sunscreen, bug repellent, and deodorant. All those 3 things. So they don't smell.
Use water.
No, they don't use water.
Oh my
So
God.
there's so much culture from there, a lot of things. Then I met another tribe called the Herero tribe. I went to their wedding, and those people, they marry cousins. It's very normal.
How can you marry your relative?
Cousins, yes, even first cousins, not a big deal. So man, go and watch my videos from Namibia, you'll really love them.
Okay.
And don't forget to comment there and say from Claudia Walks, and you'll see how much it is.
So if given a chance to go back to Namibia,
Even today, even now, even now, just that I have to leave Africa. But to be honest, it's my favorite country. Very, very nice, organized, peaceful. People have no tribalism. They have no colorism. They're just an open society, you know. Yeah, that is it.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are still here in Nairobi city, in the city center. As you can see, that is the former Hilton Hotel. I heard they closed it down.
Yeah.
Because you Kenyans like Claudia Walks refuse to go and support them, you know.
we youths also need support.
You also
Remember
need support?
That? Yes, from the government.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I hope it's not going to rain. I'm supposed to go to an outdoor event and it's cloudy, so, or maybe it's cloudy as fault, but it's cloudy. So yeah, that was it. That was my African trip in a nutshell. And now I'm back in Kenya and I'm leaving in 2 days.
You're leaving it. So guys, I'm so
Yeah.
excited to meet you, Kish, before
Thank you.
before you leave to
Before I
another
leave.
country.
Yeah.
But soon I'll be joining you.
Yeah, welcome. And I
Yeah.
expect to see you in Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Jamaica, land we love. Yeah.
Everyone loves Jamaica. Even you love Jamaica, right?
I love Jamaica so much, yeah.
But you love Namibia.
I love Namibia also.
In
yes.
Africa.
In Africa is what is it called? Namibia.
Namibia.
In Caribbean is Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
In the world though, I don't know. Another country that I really loved or close to that was
Which country?
Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah,
How is
Thailand.
Thailand?
No words.
No.
Watch out. These people can just run us through.
Okay.
Yeah, okay guys, here we are. Almost, here's how you cross the roads in Nairobi, you know. You have to run and race against them. So Claudia Walks. I
Yes.
don't know if we will find your battery.
Let's go and see if they are open.
Yeah. But I will leave you there
Mm-hmm.
because I need to go and meet this other guy.
I know you are late.
Yeah,
but
he's actually on this side, but I'm
you went
coming.
to do this for Claudia.
I came this side because of her. Guys,
Yeah. I'm being loved everywhere.
I'm showing her love. Yeah. I hope we get that shop. I hope it's open. Otherwise, I'll have come here in vain. Yeah. But that is it, guys. So, any more things for me, or should we end it here?
We should end it there. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel,
Yes.
Kish My World.
Kish My
and
World,
also,
top
if you are
of the
watching,
morning.
if you are watching for the first time, make sure you subscribe to.
Claudia Walks.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, we cross from here. Guys, it's hectic in Nairobi. You see, motorcycles everywhere. Oh, makes me miss Namibia, man. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Top of the morning, Kish My World. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it to your friends. And if you're watching from Kish My World, say what's up. And if you're from Claudia Walks, come and check me out.
Yes. So guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.
That is it.